The January floods were just the first challenge for homeowners in southeast San Diego. Before the water even receded, phones were ringing, mailers slipped under the front door, and realtors were knocking, offering a quick way out. Tonight, we follow through with neighbors in Southcrest. They tell ABC 10 News senior investigative reporter Jim Avila they feel they're being preyed upon at their worst moment.
It's the soundtrack of money, some being made, even more being spent. Every block in this Southcrest neighborhood echoes with a symphony that is reconstruction. Sounds heard here before, way back in 2019, when ABC 10 heard neighbors complain that every time it rains here, it floods here.
As you can see, there's no drainage.
We followed through when the neighborhood flooded again 8 months ago during the January downpour. And we are back today, as some here have tired of the constant flooding and that sound of another round of repairs. Instead, some are cashing out, tempted by the ease of vacating or often selling it below market prices.
Right after the flood, we were swarmed with door-to-door real estate agents, salespeople trying to buy the properties throughout the whole neighborhood. Everybody's knocking on your door trying to get you to sign a contract.
The flyers under the door promised the highest off-market price in enticing homeowners in a flood zone to, quote, sell your house as is. The most aggressive of the offers came with a check replica, including a price and signature line filled out. This one made out specifically to Greg Montoya for $435,397.
But he started at $385 price, and I just basically ignore him, and now he's raised it up to $435, you can see here.
Other offers promise, quote, no repairs or cleaning, zero fees, and fast closing. Phrases that appeal in a flood zone where FEMA insurance and charity payments can be slow in coming or way under the actual cost of repairs. Montoya received $4,000 from FEMA. Insurance sent him $82,000. The San Diego Housing Commission $11,000. His church donated $6,200. An SDGE senior citizen program chipped in $2,000. That's a grand total of $105,000. Sounds generous, but estimates to repair his totally destroyed home, including repairing the foundation, were closer to $450,000, making a quick sale seem like a lot less hassle.
They're telling me that they'll no repairs, no cleaning, zero fees, fast closing. But what they're not telling you is that they're going to offer you pennies on the dollar.
Greg's house is appraised at more than $500,000. The best offer he got was $100,000 less. 8 months of hotel stays, couch surfing, or just living in a neighborhood filled with the noise of reconstruction, accompanied by the phone ringing all the time from real estate agents who are offering opportunities to people in distress.
Most of the time, I just hang right up.
He's not alone. Across the street, from day one, Monica Garcia has also been lowballed by a steady stream of realtors. She's determined to hold on to her damaged home.
First thing next morning, a day after January 22nd flood, 8:30 in the morning, that's the first realtors that came through, wanting to purchase the house, telling me to go ahead and drop that shovel down. I can give you a great offer right now. You don't have to do anything. We give you a great offer and you can just walk away.
The real estate companies looking to buy at below market prices for an investment in the flood zones tell Team 10 they're just trying to give homeowners an easy out option. And the real estate investor I talked to on the phone, who sent Greg Montoya the sample check, declined repeated offers to answer questions on camera, but insists they send these offers region-wide and are not preying on the flood zone.
They're giving you 40 to 50% less of what your property value is worth. For me, it's predatory. They knew people were under distress with the trauma that people incurred.
So here in Southcrest, homeowners believe they are left with two bad choices: take a loss over time by repairing their damaged homes, or take a quick loss by selling today. In Southcrest, Jim Avila, Team 10.